Hey guys, I've got another green snake for you, and I can't believe I found another one. This is actually a male, and I found it in my backyard again, but in a different spot. This one's really pretty green. I mean, oh, there you go. There's a good look at him. It's a really big green snake too, like,
Oh boy.
he wraps around my arm, and it's just a really, really pretty green snake. But I just wanted to give you guys a look, and he's trying to get away. He blends in perfectly to the grass. Come on, buddy. And we're gonna let him go right where we found him. Found him at the top of this bush right here.
Look at his eyes.
I know. All right, buddy. There you go. There you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel to see more of this stuff. Thank you.